So quick announcement, the captions are all out of order. I am sorry about that. So yeah, enjoy the video. For privacy reasons, I will be reading this message. Megabucks does not want to do it. Hey guys, Megabucks here. I make videos often, and I make Roblox videos, computer videos, and subscribe if you like my videos. Also, I will do a base reveal soon. Hey guys, so it's me, Yellow Penguin, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an upside down me, something like this. Well, as you guys have seen it, we're gonna be making that on the Wii, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make that me. So here I am on my Wii. So I'm gonna show you guys how to. So if you don't have a Wii, I guess you can't do this, or you can just get an emulated software like Dolphin, for example. So go ahead and open up the Me channel. So I'm opening mine up right now. I feel it's like being like weird right now, so I wanna like add. So yeah, I'm just gonna. I just wanna see something because I know it's my Wii just like does this glitch. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and line up. Where's here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it by alphabetical favorites, color. And there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a new me. And for this example, guys, we're gonna have to do a man. So go ahead and start from scratch. So here's our base right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on my computer right now to look at an example. So I can look at not examples, but like my example right now. Okay. So you're gonna go ahead and go from your head. You're just gonna choose a head like this. You can choose anything you want like this. So now we're gonna go ahead and go by your head, and we're actually gonna find a menu where we're gonna go on the third menu and we're gonna go bald. Yep, we're gonna go bald, and then we're gonna go ahead and go over here. We're gonna choose these. You wanna select, you wanna make it the biggest, up. You want them pretty much spaced apart. Just experimenting. Yeah, there we go. You wanna make it up like this. So right here, it's our beard. And then we're gonna go to eyes. I'm going to my computer. You want to choose these. You want to go there, make them to the bottom. So yeah, to make these big. Make these down. Like that. Then when you go to our nose, and pick this nose, and then just gonna go ahead and make it really small. And you go and go to our mouth. And I do this mouth. And then we can make them really big like this. So yeah, here's our me so far, but we have one more thing to add, and this is why it's for man. For this example, you have to go to your beard and you have to press this beard right here. So now it looks weird when you look back, but it is an upside down me, so we're just gonna name it. Name it upside down. So it's in birthday. How about 1/8? me creator, me favorite color. We're just gonna make it black, I guess. So yeah, here's a quick and easy tutorial. You do not have to add these. You don't have to do what I did, but that's just my favorite way of making them me. So if you guys did like this video, please like and subscribe. And it's cool what you can actually do with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now what's cool about this. So when you go ahead and go to your Wii message boards, what's this? What is 23 minutes? I have no idea what the heck that is. I'm on my computer right now doing something. So it's cool. So yeah, if you go over here to the Wii message board, you go to create a message and you go to a memo. You can actually add this me, and it looks like that. Post. Yay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Maybe I could waste my time.